When you first go to use your Kubota RPG Speed Key version 2 or your RPG Mini version 2, you're going to want to check to make sure that the original settings are the same as the keyboard that you have on your desk. They're probably not. But to do this, you're going to go down to your dock, you're going to click on the application, and you're going to go to Preferences up here in the menu. So you're going to go up to the menus and you're going to click Preferences. And you should see a window that looks a lot like this. In fact, you should see this window. I have set it up right now so that every key is blank. And when you load it, you might see other selections there. But the first step in setting up your keyboard is to drag the keycaps onto the keyboard so that it mimics what your keyboard looks like. So if you have the Kubota RPG Speed Key, the top left key should say undo, exposure plus, and exposure minus. So I'm going to scroll through the list of all the options, and sure enough, right there is undo, exposure plus, and exposure minus. And now I'm going to do blacks, and I'm going to do fill, and I'm going to do brightness, and I'm actually dragging all of the keys over so that I can duplicate the original Kubota RPG Speed Key version 1. This is the first thing you should do when you're setting up and learning to use your version 2 keys, because we want to start with something that you're familiar with. Okay, now I need to go ahead into the preferences and I need to tell every key what I want it to do. So let's talk about the key on your Kubota RPG Speed Key that says black and white XXX. So I'm going to click on that key, and you're going to see on the right the user controls. It says black and white XXX. This is a global setting, and now I'm going to go and I'm going to find black and white XXX. Maybe I want to do the Portrait Soft one. I'm going to click on Portrait Soft, click on Global, and now I'm going to go and find the Kubota Portrait Soft preset. For the sake of this video, I have no idea where it is. There it is, Portrait Soft FTK, and Blue Bayou. So this tool is going to find all of your presets, the Kubota presets, your own personal presets, ones that you've purchased online otherwise, ones that you've created. But you can assign any preset to any key on the keyboard that's designed for a preset. So the fact that it says black and white XXX doesn't mean that it has to be that preset. Maybe you want it to be a different black and white preset that you like a little better. Maybe you want to move the keys around. This whole builder tool is here to allow you to customize your speed key to fit your editing style. So again, with the keys that are presets, you just pick the key, go over here to the control panel, click the tab, the first, second, or third function, and then decide which preset you want. That's pretty much it for this video.